What's going on, everyone, and welcome to another video for the PlayStation 5, where today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the PS5 plates or side covers without causing them to scratch the inside plastic of your PlayStation 5. Now, this is actually a very common thing to happen if you've ever tried to remove the side plates from your PS5. Lots of users, including myself, have actually done it, and to be honest, it's not that big of a deal because you're not really going to see the scratches unless you actually take the covers off. But regardless, it does bother some people. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to avoid it. So first off, you want to make sure that the stand is completely removed from the system, and you want your PlayStation 5 to be laying on its side like it is here. Now next, we're going to grip the back end corner of the PlayStation 5, and at the exact same time, you want to hold the base as well as the very bottom end of the plate with the palm and thumb of your hand, just like I'm doing here. And the reason you want your thumb to be resting on the bottom of the plate is so that way when we actually detach it, the plate itself pretty much just stays in place with very little to no movement at all. Because it's actually that excess movement when removing the plate itself that can cause the scratches that you see on my other system here. Now, I'll be honest, it does take a little bit of hand and arm strength to do it this way, but you basically just want to apply gradual pressure to the back end of the plate by lifting up on the corner and then pulling towards you. Now, at the exact same time, we're also going to continue to support the bottom end of the plate and the system itself, and with enough gradual pressure, you will feel the plate unhook itself. So as you can see, we have successfully removed the side plate from the PlayStation 5. And if you take a really close look at the system itself, what you'll see is that it is in perfect condition and there are absolutely no scratches caused by removing the plate like you see on the other system here. So yeah, that is the secret. Now you guys know how to remove the side plates from your PlayStation 5 while also avoiding any scratches to your system. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting. And if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.